Hey everybody, welcome to class. We are going to kick right off and get started with our cereal projects. So review what you have so far. What have you come up with for your names, for your cereal tastes, flavors, mascots, things like that. We've gotten this far. We're going to continue in this process. Our objectives today, we are going to identify some key traits and characteristics, benefits of our cereal. We're also going to identify the appropriate pricing strategies for our cereal creations to effectively market them. Why are we doing this? Number one, to continue in our marketing practice. Number two, to give us insight into companies' pricing structure and why they charge a certain amount at different times. And number three, to help you better understand the best times to buy products. So as of to date, you should kind of be started creating your title slide, your intro 1, 2, and 3, your competitive analysis 1 and 2, which is the industry data and your direct and indirect competition, and your target market. So what is your target market for your cereal? So today we're going to start with benefits and features. We need to identify some key features and benefits of your cereal that will help you market your product more effectively. So a lot of customers and consumers buy products because of the benefits and features that it will provide them. But we have to think, what is the difference here? So think about some products that you buy only for their benefits and features. A lot of times think technology, okay? A benefit, these are what customers gain or experience by using the product. So think of this, how does this help me? Example, my Keurig makes me coffee 1 cup at a time. So it's fast, it's convenient, I get coffee when I need it, 1 cup at a time. Features, these are characteristics that the product has, not what it can do for the customer. So, for example, these are the stats for my Keurig. These are the features of my Keurig. It's not the benefits of it, it's the features of it. It is kind of the statistics of it. It's a programmable K-cup pod coffee maker. It talks about how much the reservoir holds. It has a removable water reservoir. All of that. It is the features of it. Now it's your turn. Think about your cereal. There's a worksheet on Schoology. Fill in the products that you're creating, the features and benefits. Okay. Also on this worksheet, it will give you some ideas of things to put on the back side of your cereal box because we are going to start cereal boxes next week. Okay, so you might want to start thinking about ways to increase people's interest in your cereal boxes, and you'll list those on your benefits and features worksheet as well. So now that you've kind of gotten your benefits and features figured out, now start in your first P slide. This is for a product. You're going to explain those features and benefits and add a visual to help understand what makes your cereal so amazing. How it's made. I'm going to include this link into our your access today so that you can watch this. It is a great Food Network episode of how Fruity Pebbles are made, and so you can watch it at your leisure. But it talks a little bit, it gives you a little insight into the process and how long it takes to actually make a cereal, and that may help you with your pricing strategy. So based on your research and your market analysis, I want you to look into what will people pay for cereal, okay? Look at the video when you're done with this, research a little bit more, and then I want you to decide on an introductory pricing strategy. What are you going to price your cereal at the beginning to get people interested and invested in your cereal brand? Some people will price it lower to get people to buy it and try it. Some people will price it higher because they think that it makes it seem, the more expensive, the more people want to buy it. How much will you charge as you introduce the product and why? And then how much will you raise or lower the product after it becomes popular? And then again, why? So do some research on the common cost of cereal. in the market? And then what is appropriate markup cost for your cereal based on this research? Do you think you should charge the same amount? Do you think you should charge more or less because your cereal is special? Okay. And then you're going to create your second P slide for price. Explain your pricing strategy that you're going to use to sell and discount your product and promote your product. Make sure you talk about your promotions as well there. Okay. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a great day.